Welcome to episode 10. Good customer service starts with great employee training. I recently bought a new home, and one of the requirements was to find someone to do pest control. So I hired a local company to come out and do it for me. While the employee was here, we started to talk, and I asked him about his job and what he did. While we talked, he went about his business, and I was so impressed as I watched him and his attitude. Everything was highly professional, and all his actions that he did were explained to me in detail. So eventually I asked him about the company he'd worked for and how long he'd been with them. What came next really shocked me. The worker stated that he'd been with the company for about 7 years, and it was the best company he'd ever worked for. He stated that the training that he went through from day one was far superior than anything he'd ever received before. He detailed how intense it was, hands-on, and it was 6 months. He said it made him a better worker and a person. He then went on to explain about how his past jobs, they'd basically like 2 days worth of training and a thick binder and told him to go learn on the job. He said that he'd go out and he'd have to go back and forth to the truck to go read this manual, and those homeowners just kept getting upset with him. I can tell you that the service that he gave me was 5-star, and I was so impressed that I decided to create this minute. So if you think that training your employees properly has nothing to do with customer service, think again. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.